Righto, next in the destruction lineup is this little 3D printed ONIX 3D printed chain link. We're using a couple of soft shackles that did previously snap at 5.2 tonne. We're using those to snap this little chain link. So let's see what it goes at.
Fiberglass reinforced.
Possibly fiberglass reinforced. All right, we'll see what we get. At the moment, we've got soft shackle shrapnel all over the tray. We've got 20 kilograms at the moment. 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 kilograms, 100 kilograms, 110, 120, 140. It's made of plastic. It's 3D printed. Okay, one of our chains just decided to get rid of us a little bit of slack there, so we'll start again here. 50 kilos, 60, 130, 140, 150. Piece of plastic, eh? 200 kilos. 230 kilos. 330 kilos. 400 kilos. 450 kilos. Half a tonne on a piece of plastic. Oh, look at it snapping. 750, 780, 830, 800, 900, 950. A tonne. We've got a tonne on this piece of plastic. 3D printed.
Huh?
I lost a bit of tension there. We've got a tonne there. 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 tonne on a 3D printed piece of plastic from Mark Forge printers.